If equipped, Adaptive Cruise Control brings useful adaptive features to the standard speed control system. To turn ACC on, push the ACC on-off button, then push Res Plus or Set Minus to engage. The system will now maintain a set distance between you and the driver in front of you without having to constantly reset your speed. The Distance button lets you change the distance between you and the driver in front of you. If there's no driver ahead, your set speed will be unaffected. But when a slower-moving driver enters your lane, the system automatically adjusts your speed to maintain the distance setting. You'll see the Sensed Vehicle Indicator icon in the instrument cluster. The system will maintain the set distance until the driver ahead accelerates above the set speed, moves out of your lane, or until the system is manually disengaged. Now, if the driver in front of you stops, ACC will maintain your set distance and bring you to a standstill as well. If that driver starts moving again within 2 seconds, you'll resume motion without the need for driver interaction. If ACC stops you for more than 2 seconds, you'll have to tap the accelerator pedal or hit the resume button on your steering wheel to start moving again. If the driver in front of you does not start moving for an extended period of time, the system will cancel and driver intervention will be required. Remember, ACC has limited braking ability. The driver is always responsible for collision avoidance. To deactivate ACC, push the ACC on-off button again. It's best to leave the system off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.